Hi, welcome to Chili's. Hi, welcome to Cooking with Carmen, the show where I cook. Because I'm Carmen, and I'm cooking. We're making a beautiful avocado toast with some hashtag yolk porn. Shout out Maria for suggesting this. Okay, first things first, we're gonna prep our egg thing. Poached egg, that's what it's called. I just missed carrying that pot. Add the water. Let it boil. Let that boil. And then cut your avocado because you know that's gonna take forever and a half for your. Look at this. Look at how dull this knife is. So anyways, now you cut your avocado. You cut your beautiful avocado. Realize that your avocado is a little bit too ripe, but that's fine. You're just gonna wanna slice it kind of thin. Slice it kind of thin. And once it's all kind of grossly chopped, you kind of fan it out. Fan it out. Twist it, kind of twist it. And then you have a pile of mess. So, okay, haha, wow, I'm doing a voiceover because I don't know how to record. Anyways, I'm scooping some avocado into a bowl because I can, and I can't make a roast because it's too much of a mess. And then what you want to do is add some olive oil, salt, pepper, and whatever the heck you want because it's your avocado toast, not mine. Okay, poached egg time. I put my egg in a little ramekin thing, put this thing to the side, and here we go. You dump that, yeet. Just kidding, don't just dump your egg in like that. You're gonna have a bad time. Okay, here we go. Create that beautiful vortex. That vortex of water. Don't do it that much like me, okay? And then gently lower your beautiful egg into the water. And timer, 3 minutes. Oh yeah, and if you figure your toast, you're a dumbass, so you need that for avocado toast. Okay, got my poached egg. Gotta put it there to dry. Beautiful, amazing. That teardrop shape, iconic. And then you assemble that. Assemble it. Assemble it. And then I don't know how else you're supposed to do this, but top it off. Top it off. Garnish. So anyways, if you like that video, subscribe. Thanks.